I have here some solar shed lights. I'm gonna take it out of the box. We're gonna see what's inside here. Got some instructions. We got the light itself right here. Some hardware. And the solar panel. So I'm gonna take everything out of the plastic and wrapping, and we're gonna get a closer look of how to use it. The solar panel is super nice. It has a nice little frame, and then it has a nice place you can hook it to wherever you need to. And then the light itself is really nice. These bend to wherever you want them to be, which is really nice. If you want to turn it on, you just push this button and it'll turn on, and the power supply is right here, and it's showing that that's a full battery right here, which is really nice. This part is a motion sensor, so it's going to sense when people walk past it. And then the different modes is right here if you want to cycle through them, and I'll go through those a little bit more when it's dark. It comes with a nice remote and some batteries for it, so if you put it up too high and you can't push these buttons on the light itself, you've got the remote to do everything you need. You can install this light inside or outside. The only thing you have to make sure is outside is the solar panel, so it can get charged by the sun. Comes with a nice long cord, so if you do it inside, this will reach outside. I am gonna go install this light, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna show you how easy it is to use. On each of these lights, there's a little plastic liner. You're going to want to take them off before you use them. I installed the light in my shed here. I am going to use the remote to show you can use it during the daytime. So I installed it up here. So if I want to just turn it on during the day, I can just push on and just do auto, and it will stay on. There are some settings that are only allowed to be used at night, and I'll show some of those tonight. We installed the solar panel out here, so it will get the sunlight, so it will charge the light that's inside. It is nighttime and we have it on. It is super bright. I'm just using a remote and I can control the brightness. So if I click the arrow down, the minus button, it will make it dimmer, which is nice. So if you want it really dim or really bright, you could change that really easy. So once again, you can just go up in brightness right here, or you can click down in brightness, which is super nice from the remote. I have the remote here. There are 5 different settings. The first one is auto here. If you click auto, the light will stay on all the time until it hits 60%. It will switch to mode 4, which is motion sensing all day. So if someone walks past it, it will turn on. Mode 3 is when it automatically turns on at night. So then it will just stay on all night. Mode 2 turns on when there is motion, and then when people are gone, it will turn automatically off. Mode 1 is a motion sensing one too. It will stay low dim, and then when someone walks past it, it will go really bright. Then when there is no motion detected again, it will go dim again. A fun function is that there is a timer. So if you're working and you don't want it to turn off on you, there is a 4-hour timer, a 2-hour timer, and a 6-hour timer. This is mode 1. So if I move, it's going to turn bright, which is really fun. I have it on mode 2, so it's really dark. So I am going to walk in and it's going to turn on. So that is really, really nice. This solar light is super, super nice. It was really easy to install. I love all the settings it has, so it's going to work for anything that I need from daytime to nighttime. It's really fun, so I highly recommend it to anyone that needs a really nice solar light that can be indoor or outdoor.